Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry for the delay.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to hear me?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, real numbers, any doubts you have?
No, ma'am.
Anyone? Anyone else? Any doubt you have from the chapter? Yes. Okay. So, next chapter is the polynomials. Polynomials, first you have learned is, what are the things you have learned in polynomial chapter? What happened? Everyone silent? Dia, what you have learned in this chapter? You are getting my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so what we have learned in this chapter, polynomials chapter,
Finding the zeros of the polynomial.
finding the zeros of the polynomial by graph. Okay. So first is, before that you have learned the types of polynomials, that is linear polynomial. General form of linear polynomial is
AX plus B.
Ax plus b.
ax plus b. Number of zeros.
1.
Graph.
Will be a straight line graph.
One straight line.
Just like this, or maybe like this, anywhere. So it is a straight line. So it wherever it cuts the x-axis, that is the zero. Point of intersection of a line and x-axis is 0. But this is only when it is given x is equal to f of x. And if it is given x is equal to f of y, then
Wherever the line touches the y-axis, that's the 0.
yes, so intersection with y-axis. Okay. Second one is quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial, sorry. General form,
AX square plus BX plus C.
ax square plus bx plus c. Number of zeros.
2.
Yeah, this one I need to clarify. I have gone through the NCRT again. So yes, you were right at that time. I was wrong. Number of zeros. It can have 0 also, 1 also, and 2 also. So that is when there are the two equal zeros, it was considered as 1. It's not considered as two equal zeros. Two equal zeros can be written, but the value, the number is only 1. So it can be 0, 1, or 2. Okay, so two distinct zeros. If there are two equal zeros, then it is a value 1. And for some polynomials, you won't get 0, that is 0. So any quadratic polynomial has, any polynomial has at most n zeros, where n is degree of polynomial. So it can have 0, 1, 2, but it is not more than 2. It will be having the maximum number of zeros will be n. N is the degree. So if it has a 2 degree, that means it has maximum at most 2 zeros. It can be 0 also, 1 also, and 2 also. 2 equal zeros is considered as 1 number of 0. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial general form.
Ma'am, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d.
The number of zeros,
3.
3.
0, 1, 2, 3. At most 3. Graph will be curve path. So it is a curve. 1, 2, 3 zeros. For the polynomial, graph will be parabola. So these are the zeros. Then after that it is 4, 5. Depending on the intersections with x-axis, you will get to know. Okay, next part is the next one is relation. Quadratic polynomial. In that relation between zeros and coefficients. So what is that relation? If the equation is ax square plus bx plus c, then what alpha and beta are two zeros. Then
Ma'am, sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta equals minus b by a.
And the product is equal to a constant term by a, c by a.
c by a, right? This verification, one type of a question, you have to do the verification. Second type of a questions, the relation is given and you have to calculate the unknown variables, or calculating the values of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, or calculating the value of alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube values, finding out if the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta is given or can be found out. That kind of a questions were there. Now if the zeros were known, then how to form the polynomial? If zeros are known, then polynomial is
Ma'am, we have a thing for that. That is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus the product of zeros.
that's right. Now one more thing is there. You have the value sum of zeros and product of zeros is given. From that forming the polynomial, one more method is there if you don't remember this formula. That is they have given the sum of the zeros as suppose minus 1 by 2 and the product of zeros is mentioned as 1 by 3, suppose, for example. Now, sum of the zeros means it is sum is equal to minus b by a. This is equal to minus 1 by 2. So what is the value of b by a? Is 1 by 2. And the product is c by a is equal to 1 by 3. Now, here denominator is a and this is also denominator is equal to a. You have to make that equal. Denominator you have to make equal by multiplying. So 3 and 2 is LCM is 6. So if you multiply with 3 into 3 and here with 2 by 2. So what's the what's the value you will get? 3 by 6 and here it is 2 by 6. Now if you compare it, you will get the value of a as 6 because both the equation has the denominator a. In place of a, 6 is there. So value of a is 6, value of b is 3 and value of c is equal to 2. So you have the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So a means 6x square plus b is 3x plus c is 2. So you will get the polynomial like this. Simplified form, but don't forget this.
So will we get marks if we use this method?
Yeah, this is an NCRT they are given. Okay. Method clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
What you have done, sum of the zeros and product of a zero is given. So directly you can find out the sum means minus b by a and product means c by a. So check the fractions. In that fraction denominator should you have to make it equal. If they are equal, well and good. If they are not equal, you by LCM, you have to take the LCM just like you are doing for the fraction, LCM addition subtraction. The same way you have to make the denominator same by multiplying numerator and denominator with the common number. And then when you get this values is same, then you can write the values of a, b and c. And by knowing the value of a, b and c, ax square plus bx plus c is the formula you can write. Okay. The similar way for the cubic polynomial. Questions based on this and more that we will see. Next is for cubic polynomial. General form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the polynomial. So sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. It remains same. Now product of two zeros and taking the sum of all, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to
D by A.
Minus
minus d by a. Here also you can do the same method. If it is given the sum of the zeros, all these values has been given to form the polynomial. Denominator make it equal. Then if the denominators are equal, then check the values of a, b, c, d, find out, and then substitute in this general form. That also you can do. Okay. And then finally division algorithm. That is division of polynomials. Division of polynomials in that dividing a polynomial, that is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. Now direct division and the question based on that finding, and then the second part is finding factors or zeros, remaining zeros. finding remaining zeros. That is all irrational number, polynomials with irrational numbers has been given. That is all the zeros are irrational numbers are given. Root 2 and minus root 2 are the zeros, or root 3 and minus root 3, or root 3 by 2, root 2 minus root 2, root 3 minus root 3, root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2, or 2 plus minus root 3. So this way there are four types of zeros will be given. You have to find out the remaining zeros. Anyone has problem in finding zeros?
No, ma'am.
Others?
No, ma'am.
Why others are so silent? Are they sleeping?
No, ma'am, we're listening.
Any question of this polynomials? Do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
You can write down these points.
Ma'am,
Yes.
doubt, ma'am, but I keep going wrong sometimes in the first exercise, no, ma'am. In the level, sometimes I keep going wrong, ma'am.
Which question?
Level 2, ma'am, I'm forgetting how to solve it correctly, ma'am. Not in the right method.
Polynomials.
Yes, ma'am. First exercise. I'm getting confused.
First it says, can you tell the question?
Uh, yeah, ma'am. Um, you told me one question in general, ma'am. I'm not getting how to solve this type.
Okay, 1 second. Let this finish. I will do this, all solve those questions.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? Ma'am, can you go down? I'm done.
Questions we had to solve on that part. Yes, yeah. What's the doubt yours?
Ma'am, it's not a doubt, ma'am. I'm just
Yeah,
not.
this one. Yeah, this not getting a fine. No issue. Tell me.
Ma'am, in level 2, ma'am, for the first until the first question is okay, ma'am. From 13th question onwards, I'm having difficulty solving it. I don't know how to proceed.
One second. Book. I need to get it. Thirteen onwards. First thing is this one zeros. Actually, it is not needed till 13 only. You need to solve. Still, if you want to solve, that is relation alpha plus beta value. You have to first calculate alpha plus beta and alpha beta values. You have to calculate, and in the required questions, required equations, you have to substitute the values. Now here, in this case, the most of the first only the similar as 13th one is a 14th one. That is a similar one. In terms of P and Q, you have to calculate the values as alpha square by beta square plus beta square by alpha square. So that part you have to simplify first. Identities you have to use it, and then only you can simplify that. You will get the RHS part. But from the 15th onwards, 15th is also same. Till 15th you have to do this one also 16th. Actually till 16th you have to complete. So 14th have you solved or not?
No, ma'am. I didn't know. I didn't know how to do it.
Alpha square plus beta square, alpha square by beta square. What they are asking the value of alpha square by beta square plus beta square by alpha square, right? This value you have to calculate. So
Yes,
how
ma'am.
to simplify this? Alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 by alpha square beta square. Now this is in the form of fourth power. So can you write like this? Alpha square square plus beta square the square. Can you write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Then this will be alpha beta whole square. Now here a square plus b square, what is the identity? How to use this identity? A square plus b square is equal to
A plus B the whole square minus 2AB.
minus 2ab. So use it here. What is a here? Alpha square is a and beta square is b. So it is alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square divided by alpha beta whole square. Now this is again alpha square plus beta square is there. So again you have to use this identity. So it will become now alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, which is the expansion of alpha square plus beta square, but it is inside square again, minus 2 alpha beta whole square divided by alpha beta whole square. Now you got the alpha plus beta part, alpha beta you got, alpha beta you got, alpha beta you got. So then substitute the value. Equation was x square minus px plus q. Then what is the value of alpha plus beta then?
P by Q.
P by q.
Sorry, P by 1. P.
And alpha beta is q.
Q.
Substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is p. P square minus 2q whole square minus 2q square by q square. Now open the bracket, square part is there. So it is p to the power 4 plus 4q square minus 4p square q minus 2q square divided by q square. This term and this term is same. Subtract p to the power 4 plus 2q square minus 4p square q by q square and divide them separately. So it will come p to the power 4 by q square plus 2q square by q square minus 4p square q by q square. In this one, q square cancel. In this one, 1q get cancelled. So what is left out? P to the power 4 by q square plus 2 minus 4p square by q. That is what you want. Keep using identities.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, could you go ahead and copy it for a second, ma'am?
14th question of 2.2, 2.1, sorry.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
The next question is also the same. Simplify the given thing. What they are given, polynomial is x square minus p into x plus 1 minus c. Show that alpha plus 1 beta plus 1 is equal to 1 minus c. So it is, you first simplify this equation, minus px minus p minus c. That means a value is 1, b is only p minus p, and c value is minus p minus c. A is 1, b is minus p, c is minus p minus c. So you have to find out this value. So multiply inside alpha beta plus beta plus 1. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a, that is p. And alpha beta is equal to minus p minus c by 1. So substitute these values. Minus p minus c plus p plus 1. P minus p cancel. Minus c plus 1. That is 1 minus c. Is 1 minus c. So 1 marker.
Ma'am, I understood it, ma'am.
Now 16th one, two equations are given. From that find the value of alpha and beta. And then form the quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial. 2 alpha is equal to 32, alpha is equal to 16. And beta is equal to 8. Alpha is 16, beta is 8, then form the polynomial.
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, can I
yes.
answer the
What?
Ma'am, I'll try to answer the question by myself, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Questions? Are you able to see the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
If one root of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other, then value of k is. One root is reciprocal of other. This means
Alpha is equal to 1 by beta.
alpha is equal to 1 by beta. So alpha beta is equal to 1. Alpha beta means C by A is 1. So C is equal to A. So what is C? K. What is A? 5. Second question just now I solved, but some twist is there. What? Check. Solve again. You have to solve, right? Don't write only options.
Ma'am, I was asking the value of C, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to calculate the value of C.
Ma'am, it is 1.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, right. It's 1. Continue further.
Ma'am, minus 10. Ma'am,
Yeah.
the answer is minus 10.
Answer is minus 10. 1 0 is 2. Yeah, 2 square 4 plus 6 10. Right. Minus 10.
Ma'am, next one, A is equal to 2 and B is minus 6.
2 and minus 6. I think so. Let me check the answers.
No, it's 0 and minus 6.
Let me find it. Zero and minus 6.
Mom, fifth one is the answer too.
Fifth one is 2, right?
Ma'am, sixth one is minus 1.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Ninth one is 6.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, my pen ran out of ink. Can I go get a new one?
Okay. 10th one is sum of two zeros.
Ma'am, 12th one is x square minus 10x plus 13.
Which one? Question number?
12.
X square minus 10x plus 13, right? Others finished? Which question you doing?
And what's the 12th answer?
What you got?
I'm x square minus 10x plus 13.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, I'm not getting 13th one.
1 0, yes.
The 13th one 0.
So 13th one is 0 and 5.
Okay, ma'am.
1 0 is negative of the other. That means alpha is equal to minus beta. This means alpha plus beta is equal to 0. That is minus b by a is equal to 0. So minus b is equal to 0. Minus b by a. So what is minus b? 8k square minus 40k by a is 4 is equal to 0. So that means 8k square minus 40k is equal to 0. Take 8k common. So k minus 5 is equal to 0. 8 goes that side, becomes 0. So k is equal to 0 or k minus 5 is equal to 0. That is k is equal to 5. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you say the 14th one?
And 14th one is repeated question. It's 2, right?
Yes, right. How many maximum and minimum number of zeros can quadratic polynomial have? 0 minimum, 2 maximum. What will be the number of real zeros of the polynomial x square plus 1? Yes.
At most 2.
See the quick question.
I'm x square minus 1.
X square is equal to minus 1. So is it possible to get?
Ma'am, I don't understand.
No, ma'am, there are no zeros.
So in this equation, if you solve this, x square is equal to minus 1. So is it possible to get the value of x?
No, ma'am.
No.
It's non-real zeros, imaginary numbers, so no real zeros. Okay, it's 9:06. We will stop. You have to write the science exam. So only copy down these questions, 17, 18, 19, 20. No, I will send you these questions. I will send you this worksheet. So you can try. Remaining questions we will solve here itself.
Ma'am, the test photos can I send it normally?
What happened with cam scanner, your cam scanner?
It's not working, ma'am. It's malfunctioning. Some pages are not